Looking for fashionable clothing online and stumbled upon cartouchefashion.com? With its sleek website, trendy women's wear, and free worldwide shipping on orders over €100, it might seem like a fashion lover's dream, but is it really the trustworthy store it appears to be? In this review, we take a deep dive into everything behind the brand to help you decide if it's worth your money. Cartouche Fashion presents itself as a European-based boutique with physical stores in the Netherlands and its own in-house clothing line called Cartouche by Suisse, which adds an exclusive touch to its collection. The site showcases stylish dresses, tops, and outerwear that seem perfect for everyday wear or elevated casual looks, and their use of fashion live streams and an active social media presence gives the impression of a modern, engaged brand. However, when we looked closer, we noticed some missing pieces such as the lack of extensive third-party reviews, unclear return policies, and vague information about shipping delays and customer support responsiveness. While Cartouche Fashion definitely makes an effort to look legitimate with its clean design and branding, the limited transparency and scattered feedback online make it difficult to fully trust without hesitation. If you're thinking of buying from Cartouche, this review gives you a balanced look at what's promising and what's questionable so you can shop smart and avoid surprises.